Hello students, welcome to DSS online class. I am Sarita Tiwari, your math teacher. We were studying lesson number 6 and the name of the lesson is Fun with Give and Take. Today our topic is Sangeeta right? Let's solve this question. Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa. When Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa, she saw a price list at a shop. And what is the price list? Here is the price list. Oil rupees 70 per bottle, biscuits rupees 25 per pack, ghee rupees 127 per pack and rice rupees 150 per pack, and each pack has 10 kg rice. This is the price list that Sangeeta saw at the shop. She looked at the prices and said to her grandpa. When she looked this price list, she said to her grandpa. What did she say? She said, A. Ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuit. She said to her grandpa that ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuits. If Sangeeta is right, or if Sangeeta's statement is right, we put a tick in this box. If Sangeeta is wrong, or if Sangeeta's statement is wrong, we put cross in this box. Let's check. Sangeeta said to her grandpa, ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuit. Let us check if Sangeeta is right or wrong. Let's check. Ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuits. If we want to know that ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuit, we have to subtract the price of biscuit from the price of ghee. Let's subtract. Here is price of ghee. Price of ghee. What is the price of ghee? Rupees 127 per pack. Rupees 127. And price of biscuit? Price of biscuit. What is the price of biscuits? Rupees 25 per pack. So, rupees 25 per pack. So, we will subtract the price of biscuit from price of ghee. Let's subtract. We have to subtract 5 from 7. So, let's subtract 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Here is 1, here is nothing. So, we write 1 as it is here. So, what is the price? What is the difference? 102 rupees. So, Sangeeta is right. Really, ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuit. So, this time Sangeeta is right and her statement is right. So, we put tick in this box. So, Sangeeta is right. Here is sign of right. So, let's check next question. Let's check the next statement of Sangeeta. Sangeeta said to her grandpa, price of oil and ghee altogether is more than rupees 200. So, now we have to find the cost of ghee and oil altogether. When we find the cost of oil and ghee altogether, we have to add the price of oil and the price of ghee. Let's add. Here is price of oil. What is the price of oil? Rupees 70 per bottle. Rupees 70. And price of ghee? Price of ghee. What is the price of ghee? Rupees 127. Rupees 127. So we want to know cost of oil and ghee altogether. Let's add 0 and 7, 7, 7 and 2, 9, and here is 1, rupees 197. So, here is 197 which is less than 200. So, this time Sangeeta is wrong. and this time her statement is wrong because price of oil and ghee altogether is 197, and she said to her grandpa, price of oil and ghee altogether is more than 100, but here is the price of oil and ghee is less than 200 rupees. So this time Sangeeta is wrong, so we put cross in this box. Let's check the next question. Let's check the next statement of Sangeeta. What is the next statement? Statement C. Price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than rupees 300. She said to her grandpa, price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than rupees 300. Let's check if Sangeeta is right or wrong. So we have to find the cost of ghee and 10 kg rice altogether. So let's find price of ghee. How much the price of ghee? Rupees 127. Rupees 127. And price of 10 kg rice. Rupees. Price of 10 kg rice rupees 150. Rupees 150. Let's add 7 and 0. 7, 2 and 5, 7 and 1 and 1, 2. So, what is the Sangeeta's statement? Price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than rupees 300. Here is rupees 277, which is less than 300. So, this time Sangeeta's statement is right, and this time Sangeeta is right. Because the price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than 300. So, because Sangeeta is right, we put tick in the box. Next, let's check next statement of Sangeeta. D. Oil cost rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuit. Now, next Sangeeta said her grandpa that oil costs rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuit. Let us check if Sangeeta is right or wrong. So, the cost of oil, price of oil is rupees 70 per bottle, and price of biscuit rupees 25. If we want to know the difference between oil and biscuits, we have to subtract the price of biscuit from price of oil. Let's subtract. Here is 0, here is 5. We have to subtract 5 from 0, but we can't subtract 5 from 0 because 5 is bigger than 0. So what will we do? We will borrow 1 from 7. When we will borrow 1 from 7, here will be 10 and here will be 6. Let's subtract 5 from 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and here is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So here is 45. Rupees 45. And this time Sangeeta is wrong because she said to her grandpa, oil cost rupees 40 more than a pack of biscuit, because here is the oil cost rupees 45 more than a biscuit. So this time Sangeeta is wrong. So we put a cross in this box. I hope you all have understood well. If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. See you again in the next video. Until then, study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.